Hello, my name is Ron Pope and I'm the President and CEO of the Conversion Pros. I'm here to make an exciting announcement about a new type of promotion we have never done before. As we continue to grow and evolve as a company, we receive feedback from our clients as to what would help them build their businesses quicker and what we could do better to serve their needs. Well, this information has brought us to our new promotion. We've had a large demand for a service where TCP does some of the work for our clients, where we set up the pages and funnels for them. So we've decided to do exactly that. We're going to run a promotion for 1 week, and any new members joining during that week, we will build them a free funnel customized to their project or company. Now, you have to be a new member to get the free funnel, and we define a new member as anyone that has not had an active account with TCP, meaning no payment has been made on their account in 90 days or more prior to this promotion's launch date. Okay, we expect this to be our biggest promotion ever. And if you are already one of our valued members of TCP, no worries, we have you covered. You now have the opportunity to give away free funnels to anyone that decides to join you in TCP. This bonus is valued at over $500 and you can give it away for free. We're going to give you the fuel to throw on the fire to build yourself a huge monthly residual income. You can give away an unlimited number of free funnels this week, resulting in your referral base exploding. That's why we're calling this the Free Funnel Frenzy, because that's exactly what we expect this to be. A frenzy of people rushing in to get their place in line for a free funnel. Do not miss this promotion, guys. Whether you are someone new looking to join TCP or you're already a member of TCP, and you can use this to build up your personal residual income stream with TCP. Either way, this is a huge win for you. Be sure to blast your list right now, post it on your social media accounts, and tell everyone you know about this promotion TCP is doing to help business owners just like yourself gain traction and get their businesses hitting the numbers they desire, all through passive online marketing. And the greatest part about all this, TCP gives you the tools you need to get the word out about the promotion. So let me give you the details. Any new member joining TCP will receive one free funnel built for them from TCP's design team. The funnel will be customized to the new member's specific business or project. We do have a form that will populate in the back office of a new member's back office with TCP that they will need to fill out, called the Free Funnel Frenzy Submission Form, which provides our design team with the information they will need to complete the funnel. Funnels will be completed in the order in which the submission forms are received, so don't hesitate. Get your form in today. TCP does not guarantee a specific completion time for each individual funnel, as it's based on the number of submissions that we receive during the promotion period and the complexity of the funnel that we're designing for you. Okay? There will be a certain amount of restrictions that apply on how custom we can go with the funnel, but rest assured, all new members will be very excited and happy with their new funnels. So if you are someone who has been on the fence about joining TCP, or you are already a member of TCP and you want to start referring other members, now is the time to get started. We're here to help you any way that we can. We look forward to designing your new funnel and working with you for years to come. Enjoy your upcoming success with TCP. Thank you so much for your time. Again, I'm Ron Pope, President and CEO for the Conversion Pros, and we're here to help you make your business goals a reality. Have a great day.